Hello, welcome back, or welcome to my mail unboxing. Alright, I'm gonna get started with items. And first item, ooh, I'm excited about this item. This item, I've been wanting to create a custom. I got pink, light pink, because I wanted to
get the set, but I'm glad I was able to try it out. I just want like one, just to see how it works out. Top coat on here. Just to see.
That's cute. Oh wow, I really like this. That's pretty. Y'all see that? Done. So y'all see that? Hold on. Like purple instead of green. It reflects green. I don't know if you got, but whatever. It's still gorgeous. There's some green. It kind of comes off yellow, but it's kind of green.
I just got pink. A big one. I got
100 pink gloves. I wanted to get some more to avoid running out and arrive like this. So they're a little darker pink, but hey, we got gloves. I'm not sure why they didn't come in a box, but I got these for a really good deal. I got a 50-piece horse eye bling. So they're really small. They're supposed to be 50 of them. I don't know if they're really 50. And my dog is playing with this toy. All right. Can y'all see that? For contrast. So they're pointy back and horse eyes. So you can put it on the side. All right. I got some of these. When your client's washing their hands, let's say like while you working. I got some more of these. 4-piece.
Alright, next. What is this? It's something pink. Open it up.
Ah. I want opening it up. Reese's, go get in bed. Okay. I think the battery's supposed to go. Okay, so it needs some batteries. I hope it works. I bought. Guess I had both after all. So, what is it like? That. Like that. Yeah, 3. This. Wait. I don't know.
We'll see.
And it works. I hope it works. Let's see. I got this from the local OPC nail supply store.
I have this, and like, I want to put it.
Let me use these big ones.
And then I do this. Y'all see that? Let's see if it moves. And it worked, y'all. Oh, whoa. They on there. Hold on. Oh, I'm just testing it. Testing everything.
Oh, I got numbers to organize my acrylics and polishes with. So
it looks like it goes from 1 to 300. 1 to 100, 101 to 200, and 200 to 300. And it should be the perfect size for like a bottle. So if I wanted to put it on this, like a, what is this, a 7mm bottle, it would fit, just for reference. Alright.
you know I did. I don't think I have more than 300. I hope I don't. I hope I don't have more than 300. Products to organize, but who knows? Organization sticker. You can put them here and that right there. Put that in there. Trash, back in the back. Next, these were available. It is, they're just pink, and let's see, 1, 2. We got Phoebe. And I love these, the double size, but lately I've been finding this size, the medium size length, but I've been finding myself cutting them in half. So at least they're like a little bit bigger. Like if I cut these in half, I think it's a little smaller. I've been finding myself cutting them in half instead of using the full thing, because sometimes I don't do large sets. So this is great. So we got gloves, file. All right, next. Here's the item. It looks like it's already open. It's called Pure Gel Joint Sealant Glue. Oh, this is the little
glue I got with the indigo. Oh, look at that. It comes with there to make sure the thing doesn't get closed up. So for like the small places. So say if I need to put like a caviar bead, this is much needed.
So that's nice stuff. Let me make sure I don't forget anything. Next, I bought some. Ooh, sorry. Some pink small horse eye. I think it's 30 pieces. It should say 30 pieces on the bag. They don't look like it's 50 pieces, but hey. It means because they're so small. Y'all see that? They're super small. It's my next item. Now, I know it's not Swarovski, but it looks just as good. I'm surprised it came in this little bag, but whatever. It is, ooh, we won't forget you and leave.
Pink. It's a pink color and it's 50 pieces.
Can y'all see that? Oh my God, I just dropped one. I'm gonna put it right here. Look at that. That's pretty. The way it, I think they're really pretty the way they shine. Gorgeous. All right, I don't figure out where I'm gonna put this. Because they can't go. I gotta put it in the organizer. All right, let's see. Let's open this bag. And then I got the multicolored option. And what does it say?
Random color. And it's 50 pieces.
Y'all see that? So we got very colorful. So say if you're doing like a, I think this will be great for the summer. I don't want to say it. Wait to see it. Look at that. So we got pink, multicolor. Where's the other pink one? Just in time. I forgot all about this. Just in time, y'all. Whoa. I was wondering. Okay, so it's like, I'm not even gonna say it. Y'all just gonna have to watch. Look at all of this. We got hearts and doves and roses with gold accents, blue hearts. We got cupcakes and little teacups and candies and chocolate covered hearts. Oh, that is so cute. We got, I don't even, bro, I'm gonna be doing so many sets with this. I don't care if it's Valentine's Day or not. But look at this, little bows, a couple.
Birds in the rain. Oh, this is so cute. Bunnies. Sorry, Easter. I'm thinking about Easter. Look at the little bunnies with the bows. Diamonds, little purses, lips. Okay. And little boots and shoes. And these, well, I was just about to order something with these little gold accents to put on the side, like the corners of the nails. Okay, bananas. I didn't see that coming. Bananas and clouds. We got all of these came in here. We got they got the little wine glasses, little toast. Oh my, little heartbeat. Well, can you see it? Boom. Look at all this. Cupcakes. They bought it everything. Strawberries. I knew some strawberries was up in here. Gifts. The little pink gift boxes. Look, apples. Music notes. Watermelon, okay. Maybe some lemonade. That'll be. Look at that. Crowns. I got this stuff because I'm not at a level where I can do line work. Not yet. I won't say I don't or don't like it. I'm just saying I'm not there yet. And this is time saving. Because, you know, look at that. Wedding, royal wedding. Y'all see that? Little bride-to-be dress is so cute. Wow. We have a whole bunch. Chic. Best wishes. Wow. That is a lot. I got all of these stickers.
We're gonna try to use, just gonna like sit it to the side for now. Okay. What else? All right. I got these sticky tabs. 240 of them. What a deal. If I can open them. I got these when I do, left one behind. When I do like,
my non-dominant hand, when I'm working with my non-dominant hand, and I want to like put the nail tip attach the nail tip to the little holder piece to put acrylic on it. But I guess, so they just, you know, they look like that. It's the little adhesive part.
So I got those. I got that. Is there anything else? So there's another half. This is the first half of the order. I did one order, and for some reason they sent it separately like this. I'm trying to open it. Ooh, isn't it pretty? This was the white, but like shines blue. Or like AB purple and blue. It's so pretty. This is why I got these. Isn't it pretty? I think these are so pretty. I'm so happy I got them. Put them in here for now. So are these the, oh, so I got them in white, multicolor, and pink. Gotcha. I was like, I thought they were different. Big, pick it up. And then let's grab a blue one from here so you can see it. I'm set. Don't need any more. And then let's grab a clear one. So there you go. You can see. So these I already had. They're kind of big. But I like this horse eye. So they're flat backs, and look how they shine. They are plastic. They are not glass. They don't. They sound like plastic. And they're so cute. They're so cute to me. I'll just try to put them back in the bag we got them from.
And then we'll figure out how to organize it. It came in this bag. And put them right there. Here's the pink ones. And then here's the multicolored ones. I have to go in this bag for now.
I'm not gonna put these. No. Okay. All right. I will be back with the rest of my order once they arrive. But thank you guys. I'll see you soon.